Hello everyone, today we are turning our outline into an actual essay. Yesterday we worked on our introduction, and so if you have not written your introduction yet, go ahead on Schoology and find the how to write an introduction video. This video is specifically talking about the body paragraphs of our essay. So those are our three subtopics. So Mrs. Pashi right here on our outline, here is Mrs. Pashi's first subtopic. She has her topic sentence, Pepin has many unique restaurants, and then she has her details, homemade cafe, pickle factory, garden pub, and Harborview Cafe. Now, if Mrs. Pashi were to be a little more prepared, she probably would have written like one fact or two facts per restaurant that she was going to write in her essay or include in that body paragraph. But because she didn't, she will probably have to go back to her sources and look for more information. And this is fine. It's just you're going to have a little more research to do even though you're writing your essay. So here's kind of what it's going to look like for your body paragraph. So we're taking this information from our outline and now transferring it and making it into sentences in our essay. So in your body paragraph, which we have 3 body paragraphs, 1 paragraph per subtopic, every body paragraph is going to start with the topic sentence exactly from your outline. If you wrote your topic sentence correctly, like I talked about in class, then you are going to be able to write it exactly from your outline. And it should start with your city or the attraction, and it is a complete sentence. Then, so that's your first sentence, then you are writing your details into sentences, making it flow, using transition words, and then you have a closing sentence. Make sure that everything you write in your body paragraphs is supporting your topic sentence and making sure that it's all supporting your thesis. So Mrs. Pashi went ahead and she's working on her essay just like you are, and so here it is. Bolded, my first sentence is my topic sentence. I did decide to switch up the wording just a little bit, but otherwise it is verbatim or word for word from my outline. Pepin is home to many one-of-a-kind restaurants. First off, notice that transition word, is the newest restaurant in Pepin, the Homemade Cafe. Although the Homemade Cafe has not been around more than 5 years, their homemade breakfast items and pie have made them a popular destination for that first meal of the day. Now I have a little transition. Folks looking for lunch or dinner options might stop at the Pickle Factory located right on the Mississippi River. The building was built in the 1900s where it was then home to the Pepin Pickling Company. Later in 1987, it was reconstructed into a restaurant, hence the name. They are known for their hand-battered onion rings and beautiful view of Lake Pepin. So notice how so far I've told you a little bit about each restaurant. Another popular food or stop for food, so notice another transition, is the Garden Pub and Grill, known for their homemade pizzas, fresh entree salads, and delicious malt shop and homemade fudge. Lastly is the Harborview Cafe, arguably the most well-known restaurant in Pepin. They have been open for over 30 years and have won numerous awards for over the years. They are known for their made-from-scratch entrees, including Alaskan halibates, sautéed chicken breasts, and pork shanks. So there I talk about the last restaurant. Offering a wide variety of choices, visitors can't go wrong with any of these one-of-a-kind restaurants. Okay, notice how I mention one-of-a-kind here, and that connects back up with my topic sentence. Okay, so notice my use of transition words. I say first off, I say another, I say lastly, and it really just helps my paragraph flow. Okay, and then I have my topic sentence and my closing sentence. All right, so this is body paragraph number 1, and then I'm going to use my outline to write my next 2 body paragraphs with subtopic B and C. All right, good luck.